Do you have a knife in your motorcycle's toolkit? If so, and if not, you might want to consider getting one of these. This is the Ozark Trail 7.5-inch folding knife. It is a loose clone of the Benchmade Bug Out, and the best part is, it retails for $9.99. So I just got to Walmart out here in Clinton, Maryland, and I'm on a bit of a scavenger hunt for something that's been pretty viral on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, all the social networks and stuff like that, whatever. But I'm on a hunt for the Ozark Trail, excuse me, not the Ozark Trail, this particular Ozark Trail knife. I've heard it been referred to as the Walmart Ozark Trail Bug Out, as in it's a Benchmade Bug Out clone. It's made of D2 steel, and it's a pretty dope knife. It's been sold out all over the place, and I believe this place here may have them in stock. So I'm about to go walk in and see what I can see, and hopefully they have them, because they were on, they said they were sold out all over the place. And hopefully they got them. Let's see what's what. All right, now I got to get back to sporting goods and camping gear. All right, see what they got. So my phone is saying that, internet is saying that they have them in stock. Right now, the website is saying that they're here. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
So we're back here in the sporting goods and camping stuff. Hopefully have it.
Just inside.
Oh snap. They've got they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Oh boy. Am I gonna buy all 5 of them? Probably so. Yeah, I'm probably gonna buy all 5 of them. Yep, I'm about to get them. I'm gonna get somebody to call somebody back here. Hey, how you doing, man? Do you know anyone that can open a case in sporting goods? Yes, ma'am.
What's that?
That right here. Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Anything else?
Nah, that'd be it, man.
I'll meet you on a moment.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh, somebody. All right. Unfortunately, I just became part of the problem why these things are sold out all over the place. I will say that I actually left one there, so they're not completely sold out. They're almost sold out. It's a pretty big deal.
Yeah, you ordered in 16.
Oh no. Yes, ma'am.
42, 28. Did you need a bag?
Sure, yes, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, excuse me.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. You too, thank you so much. Oh, yes. So just to prove to you guys, even though I'm part of the problem, I did leave a solution of one knife in there, so can't be too mad at me. So yeah, like I said, scavenger hunt. I've got 4 bug outs. All right, so let me get out of the store. So I had to make a stop before I got home with my, whatever it's called when you on a scavenger hunt. I had to stop by Zippers. I had to return the favor of Adam keeping me safe on Traveling Tall's Rental Hills 4 by making sure I get off the road and helping me out and everything. So that's Adam's hot rod, Fat Boy right there. I think it's called Fat Boy. Yeah. And it definitely ain't stopped. Well, it's stopped, but it moves though. Yeah, that's Adam's. So yeah, I'm gonna run inside Zippers right quick and drop off my treasure, so to speak. Hey, Ed, how you doing? How you doing, man? How you doing? What's happening, puppy? You doing all right? What's happening?
You must have woken him up from his nap.
I apologize.
Who are you looking for?
Adam. So hopefully he's back here in his laboratory. Hey, Adam.
Hey, Larry.
Hey. I'm doing well. So, you guys know the quest I've been on today, and I just told you guys why I stopped here, whatever. But Adam, I just want to come and thank you for keeping me safe on the run to the hills, keeping me off the road and yelling at me and everything. So as a token of my gratitude, I want to bring you something that's going pretty viral in the last few weeks. I want to bring you one of these.
Oh wow!
So I don't know if you know about those.
I don't.
But
Okay.
that is the Walmart Ozark Trail.
Mm-hmm.
People have been calling it the Wug Out. It's like a Benchmade Bug Out clone. But the great thing is, it's like a $10 knife. It's all over like YouTube and everything.
Yeah, man,
I appreciate you for keeping me safe. So now it's time to get home. All right, Adam, take it easy.
See you later.
All right. Big Larry! What's going on, Dad? We might have a slight issue. What's happening with you? You all right? How's it thing? I'm all right. I got the toddlers with me.
What, mama?
Yeah.
Hey, mama!
Oh, shit.
Look at my baby.
Hey, you open it.
Hey, baby. Hey, mama. Give me a kiss. I'm coming around there where you at, too.
So I just picked my dad up from the train station. Just got into town. I've been on a wild scavenger hunt all day trying to find these. I dropped one off to Adam at Zippers earlier today, and since you just got here, this is his. So here you go. So that knife right there has gone viral on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and everything because it says it's not a direct clone of the Benchmade Bug Out, but it's a very close copy of that particular knife. The Benchmade Bug Out is like $130 to $180 knife. This knife right here is $9.99 at Walmart. And it's sold out all over the place. Like it's sold out on the internet, on the website. It's sold out in a lot of stores. That's your knife. Like I said, I gave one to Adam.
Thank you, man.
No problem, man. So the primary reason why I've been hunting for these knives is to make sure I have one or have them on our motorcycles because you always, I mean, as a motorcyclist and having a motorcycle or whatever, at some point, at any point in time, you may need to cut something, whether it be a zip tie or some cordage or whatever. If you need to tie something off on your bike, and sometimes you don't have one, and sometimes you don't want to use your good knife, but this little $9.99 wug out, or is there a name for this thing? It doesn't really say anything. Well, this 7.5 inch folding knife, D2 high carbon steel or whatever. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. It's not even called anything. Interesting. But the goal is to make sure we have something on our motorcycle. So, is this knife right here the best knife for you to have on your motorcycle? I say yes. Why? Because it's inexpensive, and if you mess it up, you won't necessarily feel bad about it because you only spent $10 on it. But the main thing is, you should definitely have one of these in your saddlebag or in your tool pouch, whatever, especially if you have like tools that you carry with you when you ride. This here is the best knife you should have on your motorcycle. So, here you go, Dad. I don't know if you want to check that out. I got one as well that I've been carrying. So, I will tell you this. My buddy, a buddy of mine named Matt Buck, he and I always talk about knives at work. And somehow, he and I had a conversation about this knife through text message. And I told him how I was looking for him, and I couldn't find one. And I told him, hey, if I find one, I'll get you one, whatever. But he was up camping up in the Catskill Mountains.
And he found him.
And so he bought one, and he brought me one back or whatever. So from there, I said, man, I gotta have a couple more of these to have on my motorcycle. And yeah, so it's a nice little knife, you know. It flips open. Well, yeah, something like that, yeah.
Yeah. That's nice. I appreciate it. Thank you.
So yeah, the Walmart Ozark Trail 7.5 inch, what's it called? Folding knife. Is this the best knife that you should have on your motorcycle? If you can find them. It's pretty difficult to find. But if you like stuff like this, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to Build, Ride, Repeat. There's tons of videos online on YouTube about this knife. I didn't want to necessarily do a video about how good the blade is or how good the knife is, how it feels and everything. There's dozens, maybe hundreds of those videos online already. This is just my video of trying to find one and gifting them to people that I'm okay with. He's okay sometimes, but sometimes he's funny acting. But again, thanks for tuning into this episode of Build, Ride, Repeat. And me and Big Larry, see you on the next one. You gonna open your knife, Dad? You know what I mean? You need something to open it with? Here you go.
You know what I got in my pocket.
What?
Don't keep it. I ain't gonna open it. Don't open it now.
Well, if you do what you want to do with it.
I'm gonna put it in my bag.
Well, yeah, you can.
What you finna do?
Huh? Nothing. I'm about to
Go lay down?
I guess.
I'm finna go down there and take a piss, man. I gotta go see.
Just gotta take a piss. All right, y'all. See you on the next one.